You can expect a lot from the 2008 Mitsubishi Outlander. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. Mitsubishi infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, a trip computer, skid plates, a roof rack, and one-touch window functionality. Mitsubishi also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraint, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.